Go get the stuff out of my. Get it, boy. Get it, boy. Come here, Toby. Give me a hand. Come on, Toby. Get it. Now take it in your house. That's a good boy. Oh, wait up. Let me open the door. Go. Good boy. Good boy. Toby. Yeah. So you're gonna protect the house, Toby?